Namaskar, this is Vanaruja from Government Model Primary School Headquarter, State Andaman and Nicobar Island, Nicobar District. I am greatly privileged to be here and very thankful to Aurobindo Society for providing ZIIEI and this platform by HDFC Bank, organization partner of Aurobindo Society. Previously, I attended a seminar on ZIIEI from Aurobindo Society, in which I come to know about this organization and its working. So, after attending this program, I come to know how, with zero investment, we can tackle our daily problems and how we, with zero investment, we can improve our school activities. So previously I was attached to a school, Government Model Senior Secondary School, which is in strength, it is very big school in strength. In classes I can find about 50 to 60 students in a single class. And the problem what I faced is the class always looks very untidy because the students used to tear up their papers and throw it there. So wherever they find, they tear up and throw anywhere they like, and even the dustbins also overflows. So every time first period I used to go and I used to make the student to clean, and again when I come to the class in the next two periods, then it's again the same problem, again the same thing, everywhere there is a wrappers. Then I got an idea to control this situation. I made a paper bag and I asked the student to prepare a paper bag and to collect the waste papers wherever they find inside or outside the classroom. They took all the papers and put it in their bag, and at the last period I used to call them to show their bag. The students who are showing their maximum wrappers, I used to give gift like toffee or any other, and give them a title of clean Indian boy or girl. So by this, day by day, what I found is my class is very clean, and also outside the class is also very clean. And now I know about the e-Pathshala app, but I couldn't use in my area due to some network issues. So I like to know about this in next seminars or whatever, and I'm very thankful to Aurobindo Society. At last, I like to thank Aurobindo Society for providing this platform and to receive and to be here as a national awardee. Thank you.